In this video, I will show you what the Reddit community is saying about NotebookLM to help you understand its real-world performance. I'll start here on Reddit to see if the tool lives up to the hype, starting with a thread where users are debating if it's actually as good as people think. As I scroll through the comments, I can see people discussing the underlying AI models and how it compares to other versions of Gemini. One user mentions using it to search through complex engineering manuals, which is a great professional use case, though others remind us to watch out for hallucinations. Next, I'm moving to a thread that offers a warning about using it for schoolwork. The consensus here seems to be that while it's excellent for qualitative research, you should be careful using it for logic or math-based subjects. Now I'm clicking over to a more positive discussion where users are calling the tool amazing for organizing personal journals and even creating podcasts from their own notes. Finally, I'm checking out a detailed post that explains why some people might struggle with the tool for studying. This user has shared a comprehensive prompt to turn NotebookLM into a professional lecture note processor, giving us a great look at how the community is finding creative ways to maximize its potential. Overall, these reviews show that while there's a learning curve, it's a powerful resource when you provide the right sources. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.